Are you struggling with how to get a custom type instead of integer when using Collectors.summingInt? If so, you're in the right place. Today we're going to tackle this common issue and show you how to create a map with a custom type. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to work with data types in Java and things just don't seem to fit. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create a map that uses duration instead of integer when summing up durations. They provided a code snippet that uses Collectors.summingInt, and now they want to switch to a custom type. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution together. So what's the issue here? The user is currently using Collectors.summingInt, which returns an integer. However, they want to sum durations and return a duration type instead. This is a common scenario when working with time data in Java. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to handle custom types in Java more effectively. To create a map that uses duration instead of integer, the user should start by changing the collector from SummingInt to a custom collector that sums up the durations. Next, the user needs to define a method that converts the duration in seconds to a duration object. This will allow the user to work with the duration type directly. Now the user can implement the new collector in the stream operation. They should use the reducing method to accumulate the duration values. Finally, the user should test the new implementation to ensure that the map correctly reflects the duration values instead of integer. Fun fact, did you know that Java's duration class was introduced in Java 8? It's a powerful tool for handling time-based calculations, and it's great that you're looking to use it effectively. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using the duration type directly for the getDuration method. This way, you can sum the duration instances instead of converting them to seconds. The user provides a code snippet that demonstrates how to group by project and date while using collectors.mapping and collectors.reducing to sum the durations. This method has the added benefit of summing nanoseconds, making it more precise. However, it's important to note that it may create many intermediate duration instances, which could affect performance. Here's that quick tip I promised. When working with custom types, always consider using the reducing collector for more flexibility. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to create a map with duration instead of integer. Remember, using the right collectors can make a big difference in your code. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.